let's talk clotheslines. So eventually we will have a gas dryer. However, today is not eventually, and with a family, I go through laundry a lot. So I had to figure out where I was going to put my clothesline. So here's what I went with. You can see our puppy's kennel right there. And I've got it anchored to the corner of the house. This isn't anything, it's a load of laundry. It's not anything that's going to put any load on the house at all. But I wanted to point out that I went with this particular location because it is not underneath any trees, okay? The reason for that, aside from the obvious with shade, is that these trees actually drop quite a bit of stuff, and there are birds that nest in them, and spiders, and caterpillars, and all manner of wonderful wildlife that I don't necessarily want getting all over my clean clothes. So I went with an open spot, and even though it's not the most sunny location, it's also going to be out of the way of traffic and stuff like that. And voila, the clothes are hung. It's pretty warm out today. I think these are probably going to be dry in a matter of minutes. In fact, I think this sheet is probably already dry. I think I'm going to take it inside. You will notice if you hang your clothes out to dry like this that they get a little bit stiff. I need to find a good solution for that. I grew up just kind of dealing with it, but I live with other people now who have finer tastes in life. I will say, if you can leave your clothes on the line over a rainstorm or even just a shower, and you know the sun's going to come back out, the rain is the best fabric softener ever. And we have no rain right now. So I'm going to just kind of take these in as quickly as I can once they're dry, because that'll help with the stiff kind of crunchiness.